Hello students, I am Mrs. Shabnur Awaz from Holy Hearts Educational Academy, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. And today I am here to take the classes of class 12 students, and the topic, as we have previously covered the networking topics, few topics are left that will start today. So let's start. So students, today we'll start with the topic cyber law, cookies, protection using firewalls and HTTPS. The question arises that what is cyber law? Cyber law is actually a generic term that refers to all the legal and the regulatory aspects of internet and the World Wide Web. Anything concerned with or related to or any of the legal aspects or issues which are concerning about any of the activities of the citizens and others comes within the particular ambit of the cyber law. So we can say that it is very much important because it touches almost all the aspects of transactions and activities on and concerning the internet and the World Wide Web and the cyberspace. So initially it was seen that the cyber law is very much technical field and that it does not have any bearing to most of the activities of cyberspaces. But the actual truth is that nothing would be further than the truth. Whether we realize it or not, every action and every reaction of cyberspaces has some legal and a cyber legal perspective. So in short, we can say that it is an area of a law that deals with the internet's relationships to technological and the electronic elements, including the computers, softwares, hardwares and information systems. Many a times the cyber law is also known as internet law. Now, what is the need of cyber law? Cyber law, like any other law, is also created to make or to help and protect the peoples and the organizations using the internet from the malicious peoples and organizations on the internet and to maintain the particular order. So if someone breaks the particular cyber law, it allows another person or organization to take the action against the person who have said and to sentence it to the punishment. Now, what is cookies? Cookies are generally a messages that a web server transmits to a web browser so that the web server can keep track of the user's activity on a specific website. So the cookies are mostly used to track the website activity, and they may be either persistent cookies or a session cookies. Basically, the persistent cookies consist of a text file sent by a web server to the web browser, which is stored there and remains there until the expiry date if the user does not delete it. And the session cookies is, on the other hand, will expire at the end of the user session when the web browser is closed. So how would we get the protection using firewalls if we deal here? The firewall provides protection against the outside cyber attackers by shielding your computers and the network from the malicious and unnecessary network traffic. So we can say here that the firewall is the system which is designed to prevent the unauthorized access to or from a private networks, and hence is called a firewall. So it is implemented in both the hardware and the software or in combination with both. Firewalls are frequently used to prevent the unauthorized internet users from accessing the private networks which are connected to the internet, especially intranets. So all the messages which are entering and leaving the internet passes through the firewall, which examines each message and blocks those that do not meet the specified security criteria. Hence, it protects the user from the unauthorized access of the computer. Next is protection using HTTPS. As we all know that HTTP is a hypertext transfer protocol and HTTPS is again a hypertext transfer protocol, secure, a much more secured version of HTTP. So whatever data which is confidential to us, hence private data, are always sent using HTTPS, and it is recommended that we need to use HTTPS websites whenever we need to pass on our confidential data from one place to another place. So HTTPS is an encryption form of a HTTP protocol. So here encryption means that it encrypts the data to keep it much more secure from the eavesdropping. So basically the bank account details, email services or any insurance policy numbers or whatever thing which is confidential to a particular user is always passed on in their HTTPS websites. So students, here this was the total thing, that was HTTPS, firewalls, cyber laws, cookies. So on the basis of that, here is an assignment that you need to prepare a short notes on cookies and firewalls, and this you have to do it in your CS notes copies. Students, we have seen few topics of networking, and so I hope you all understood very well. Go through the video, listen it carefully, go through the contents and follow the instructions given and complete the assignments in your computer notes copies. By that time, stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.